Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the drawing, setting the visual style to realistic or shaded so materials and colors show. Select the 3D solid, mesh, or surface you want to change, or pick a layer to affect many objects. Then open the Properties palette, make sure object color and material fields are visible. This immediate focus ensures you change the right element. Once chosen, you'll switch the color mode to by entity or assign a material. Those are the first actionable steps to alter appearance. Now you decide whether to use color or a full material. If you need a simple color change, set color and properties to an explicit RGB or index value. This is fast and layer independent. For realistic results, open the materials browser, pick or create a material, and edit its diffuse color and reflectivity. Assign the material to the object or the layer. Make sure mapping and scale match your geometry. Once done, preview with the render or visual styles controls to confirm appearance. Finish by rendering or switching to realistic view to see the final color under scene lighting. Adjust exposure if needed. Save your material to the library or apply layer overrides for consistent reuse across drawings. Export renders or save the DWG with materials embedded. If colors don't show, make sure visual style supports materials, run region, enable the materials engine, and verify objects aren't set to by layer when you expected by entity. That single troubleshooting check fixes most display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.